Do y'all think I'm in a restaurant? No, I'm at home and I'm sitting in my kitchen. I made this crunchy fried chicken KFC style at home. Do y'all want to know how? Hi everyone, it's me Abigail back again, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make crunchy fried chicken. I have 500 grams of chicken, some are leg pieces and some other meaty pieces of the chicken. We are going to soak these pieces of the chicken in salt water. I have water with me. And now I am going to dissolve 1 tablespoon of salt in it. Make sure you give it a good stir. Add the chicken pieces in. And let them soak in here for 1 to 2 hours. We soak the chicken in salt water so that the bleeding stops, and also it makes the chicken soft and nice. After 2 hours, we are going to discard this water. Now we are going to start marinating this chicken. To marinate, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, salt for taste, a little pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, three tablespoons of curds, two tablespoons of oil, and a little lime juice. Marinate the chicken well. Once the chicken is well mixed with all the masalas, keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. The longer, the better. Crack 1 egg in a bowl to make the batter. Add a dash of salt and pepper. And beat it. Add 4 spoons of maida. And 2 spoons of corn flour. Mix, mix, mix. Add milk. Put a few spoons at a time and mix. Then add more and mix. The batter should be smooth and thick, of this consistency. Keep it aside. Now let's move on to the dry mix. I have already added 10 spoons of maida and 5 spoons of corn flour in this bowl. Add salt according to your taste. Add a little pepper powder Now add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder. Mix it well. I've already added oil in a deep pan. I'm going to keep it to heat here, and now we'll start coating the chicken. I removed the chicken from the fridge, so let's coat it. First, dip the chicken in the batter. Cover it completely with the batter. Then drop it in the flour. Cover it with the flour first. And then gently coat it. Make sure to coat it evenly. Then hold the piece of the chicken and dust off the excess flour. All the excess flour should fall. This step is very important. Can you see the crumbs? We want these crumbs. Coat it twice and dust it well, or you won't get the crumbs. After coating it twice, see, without cornflakes you get such lovely crumbs. Similarly, coat another piece. Coat only those pieces that you are going to fry immediately. Don't coat and keep. How do you know if the oil is hot? Watch my crispy chicken nuggies video. I have shared a tip on how to check if the oil is hot. Link in description box. Now it's time to fry. Add the pieces in. They will take about 8 to 10 minutes to fry. When the dry mix becomes a little lumpy, it does not stick to the chicken and the chicken does not get coated. So put it into a sieve and sieve it so that we get only the dry mix. You can use this to make parathas. Let's continue coating. Don't coat the chicken pieces before only, or they'll dry up and all the crumbs will fall off. Repeat the same procedure. Dip, coat and dust. I guess this piece doesn't want to get coated. Our first batch is turning golden brown. See, it looks so beautiful. See the crumbs. Fry it for some more time. Once they are done, remove them on a rack. Don't remove them on a tissue paper. The coating becomes soggy. Fry the next batch. Next batch also is done. I am going to serve my crunchy fried chicken with tomato sauce and this dip. To make this dip, watch my crispy chicken nuggies video. Link given in description box. Let's do a crunchiness test. Can you hear the sound? See how crunchy it is.
Nice smell. What you made, Abigail?
I made crunchy fried chicken.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's hot. Cool, cool, cool. Wow, it's so crunchy. Mmm.
Do you like it?
Yeah, thank you.
You're
Tastes
welcome.
like KFC chicken.
Do try this crunchy fried chicken at home and let me know how it turned out in the comment. If you all have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you all will get the notification first. Also like and share. Bye. Love you.